Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode, question 24, NOV-DEC edition. A number is selected as random from the set Q equals to a set of 3 less than or equals to y is less or equals to 22. We have to find the probability that a number is selected from the set to be a multiple of 5. So first of all, what are the elements of the set Q? The set Q is beginning from 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 22. So we need to know how many elements that are present here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we can say that number of elements in the set Q is going to be 20, right? All right, that is the sample space. Then we are picking from this set multiples of 5. So let's just say we let E, okay, let me use M, equals to the set of what? Multiples of 5. So M will just be, what are the multiples of 5 from here? 5 is here. So 5, 10, 15, 20. From this set, 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, which is above this. So we cap at 20. Then the number of M will also be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have gotten the event, we've gotten the sample space. So the probability of the event equals to number of the event divided by number of what? Sample space. So by substitution, I still have 4 divided by 20, and 4 into each of 1, 4 into 25 times. So this will be the option D on the question paper. I guess you get a concept. If you don't have enough knowledge on probability, go to my YouTube channel, search the topic probability under the playlist. You get all that you need to know under probability. Like, share, comment, and